Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check an A320 oxygen mask. This essential procedure ensures crew safety and operational readiness before every flight. We will meticulously cover each step, from initial setup to the final verification of functionality. Understanding these critical checks is absolutely crucial for maintaining proper emergency equipment and guaranteeing a safe flight environment for everyone on board. Before initiating any checks, always confirm the aircraft is connected to ground power and that the cabin is fully depressurized. Next, precisely check the oxygen cylinder pressure, ensuring it reads a minimum of 1,500 pounds per square inch on the gauge. Finally, confirm that all relevant circuit breakers for the oxygen system are correctly engaged, preparing for a reliable test. Perform a detailed visual inspection of the oxygen mask itself, looking carefully for any signs of damage, cracks, or general wear. Then, physically ensure that all hose connections are tight and secure, and the hose itself remains completely free of any kinks or obstructions. Remember to verify the small yellow flow indicator pin is properly present and firmly attached to the mask assembly. To perform the functionality test, firmly depress the red test button for about 5 to 10 seconds. As you do, carefully observe the flow indicator for positive movement or listen for a distinct hiss, confirming oxygen flow. Once released, the indicator should retract smoothly, showing the system sealed correctly and is ready for use in an emergency situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.